Hi, I'm Dr. David Antonian, President and Chief Optometrist of Vivid Vision's Optometry, and today I'm going to teach you an exercise to strengthen your eyes. Today, we're doing an exercise which will train your eyes and your brain very important visual skills. We're going to work on your eyes' convergence ability. Convergence is the turning of your eyes inward towards your nose to focus on targets at near. People who are unable to do this easily are diagnosed as having convergence insufficiency. This exercise will teach your brain to point your eyes simultaneously at a very near object in order to improve your ability to do sustained close work with comfort. It will teach you how to shift your eyes smoothly and accurately from one object to another. You start the exercise by folding the card in half so that the red and the green circles are aligned with one another. You hold the card up to your nose so that it is radiating out from your nose, with the smaller circles being the furthest away. You focus on the furthest circle, cross your eyes and pull the red and green circles together. Make sure you're seeing both red and green circles at the same time. You should now notice that the furthest circle is simultaneously half red and half green. Hold it for 5 seconds. Now change your focus to the second furthest circle and again keep it clear and single. Make sure you see both red and green at the same time. Hold it for 5 seconds. Repeat until you reach the closest circle. Finish the cycle by looking away at a far target.